May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us amongst the righteous servants. Ameen, Ya Rabbil Alameen. So tonight is one of the odd nights actually. That's why I wanted to remind myself, remind you as well of the dua. Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anhu. Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anhu. Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anhu. And for you, if you noticed, alhamdulillah, we are 3 juz ahead in our khatm. So if we followed the same pattern every day with the recitation, we would do the khatm of the Quran Wednesday night. So we wanted to do the khatm Friday night. That's why we decided 2 things. Number 1, we will exclude the Isha and Fajr from the khatm. Number 2, we will slow down with the recitation, that we will reduce the amount of recitation in Taraweeh a little bit and in Tahajjud also. By that plan, inshallah, we would finish, inshallah Rabbil Alameen, by Friday, Taraweeh time, inshallah. This will be the khatm of the Quran. And of course, I wanted you not to miss the khatm of the Quran in the night of the 27th, inshallah Rabbil Alameen. And not only this, bring your family members, bring your children. This is the night that we will stay the whole night till, inshallah, the sunrise. So may Allah accept from all of us. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. Today actually I wanted to talk about one of the great leaders and heroes in Islam. And he is one of the Sahaba of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And he was born 24 years before Hijrah. And he died 13 years after Hijrah. So can you calculate his age? Huh? 24 years before and 13 years after. 37, right? So he died very early. But the influence that he had in the Muslim Ummah during the time of Rasulullah ﷺ was huge. And the thing that will surprise you, he is a hero, the son of the worst of the enemy of Islam. Imam, a hero in Islam, son of the worst of the enemy of Islam. You got it. You got him. He is Ikrimah, the son of Abu Jahl. Who is Abu Jahl? I want to explain something. Have you heard about Fir'aun? And have you heard about Al-Fir'aun? What's the difference? Fir'aun, this is the tyrant with Musa alayhi salam. Al-Fir'aun, this is Abu Jahl. What's the difference? Fir'aun, specifically for our ummah, is Abu Jahl. Fir'aun in general is Fir'aun with Musa alayhi salam. The word Fir'aun means the one who is tyrant, the oppressor, a dictator, a killer. And every generation has their own Fir'aun or their own Fir'auns. So every generation. Nowadays, do you think that we have Fir'aun or Fir'auns? Right? You see? How many Fir'auns we have in this, in this time? Lots of Fir'auns. Those who are killing the children, those who are killing women, those who are invading lands, those who are shedding the blood. If they weren't Fir'aun, so who else can be Fir'aun? The tyrants, the oppressors. But you know what? We understood from Quran and from the Islamic history that sometimes out of those Fir'auns we get heroes. Who raised up Musa alayhi salam? Fir'aun. Allah said in the Quran, قَالَ أَلَمْ نُرَبِّكَ فِينَا وَلِيدًا وَلَبِثْتَ فِينَا مِنْ عُمُرِكَ سِنِينَ. Didn't we raise up you? Didn't you stay many years in our castle? So Musa alayhi salam, the one who spoke with Allah directly, without any mediator, who raised him up? Fir'aun. He was raised up in the castle of Fir'aun. And Allah destroyed the kingdom of Fir'aun on the hands of Musa alayhi salam. Now let's move to our hero for today, Ikrimah. He is the son of Abu Jahl. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Abu Jahl, Fir'aun hadhihi al-ummah. He is the Fir'aun of this ummah. And you know what, if I wanted just to collect all the ayat in the Quran to talk about the animosity and the punishment of Abu Jahl that Allah had mentioned in the Quran, 1 hour will not be enough. Only I will get one example. Do you memorize Surah Iqra? Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq? Okay. Allah said in this surah, أَرَأَيْتَ الَّذِي يَنْهَى عَبْدًا إِذَا صَلَّى أَرَأَيْتَ إِنْ كَانَ عَلَى الْهُدَى أَوْ أَمَرَ بِالتَّقْوَى أَرَأَيْتَ إِنْ كَذَّبَ وَتَوَلَّى. Allah is talking about, Allah said, didn't you see the one who prevented Muhammad from Salah? Didn't you see the person that he showed the animosity to the best of the creation of Allah? Then Allah said, كَلَّا لَئِن لَّمْ يَنْتَهِ لَنَسْفَعًا بِالنَّاصِيَةِ نَاصِيَةٍ كَاذِبَةٍ خَاطِئَةٍ فَلْيَدْعُ نَادِيَهُ سَنَدْعُ الزَّبَانِيَةَ.